Hey everyone, just a quick intro. It's Peter here, obviously. Yeah, I've taken this over a couple of days, so sorry I haven't been posting lately. But yeah, just the following is taken over a few days, and the answer to the question is at the end, of course. Good morning, Peter here on Doxie in the series Peter and Doxie sailing from New South Wales to Queensland, and here we are still in Rosslyn Bay, Keppel Bay, central Queensland. Yeah, if you watched yesterday's video, it sounded like I had a solution in place for my engine. Not so much. Yeah, I was thinking to go ahead with the replacement engine, getting that done here at Rosslyn Bay. But it very much sounds like the local mechanic doesn't have the bandwidth to guarantee getting that done in a reasonable amount of time, so I've basically deferred that idea. I'm trying to look at other options. Did have a look at the tappets yesterday. I'm not sure if that engine's really going to do anything for me. The existing engine, that is, the Volvo Penta 2003 or 2003. We just don't seem to have any compression. So yeah, sort of caught between a rock and a hard place, to say the least. So just going through my head what else I can do. Need to find a way to exit stage left, as it were, or stage south, or whatever that means. So yeah, that's where I'm up to at the moment. So yeah, just put some feelers out with some people to see if they know anybody who can help me. Meanwhile, I'm just going to do some sanding and stuff to try and keep the hands busy while the brain does some, well, yeah, cogitating, you might say. So yeah, let's see what the day brings today. I can still admire the wildlife here, at least. Yeah, so you might remember the other day I was starting to clean up these duckboards. I've got the small one that goes behind the wheel and the larger one back there. I've let them dry for a few days because I applied some teak cleaner to them, which involved getting it very wet, and it does say let it dry out completely, so that's what I've done. Some call it laziness. Some might say I'm doing the right thing. Anyway, yeah, before I can go completely stir crazy, let's try and get some positivity happening here. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go through and sand off the excess varnish that's around the edges. So some of these areas should actually be oiled, but we'll see where the overlap is basically once I get this back down to its raw-ish state. Okay, let's break out the big guns and see how we go with that. Right, we're getting a bit of it off, that's for sure. I don't know how popular I am in the marina here at the moment, but yeah, people do work on their boats, so hopefully this won't take too long. Yeah, you can see, evidenced by all the rubbish around the place, I've got a bit of it off. Hey, it's it's the next day now, which is Thursday the 9th of October, I think, 2025. I just did a recount of the days, and it tells me it's 154 days since I left. So yeah, day 154, I guess. Or on the old mistaken count, I think it was 151 or 2, but anyway, it doesn't matter. I don't think it does anyway. Yeah, so we're still doing the whole engine thing here at Rosslyn Bay, of course. I have just been talking to the marine mechanic here in Rosslyn Bay, and he's going to send me an estimate basically on new engine versus using the beta engine, which is in New South Wales. Their thing basically is that the Volvo engine should just slot in, and the labour costs would be very low. Whereas, with the beta engine, and yeah, it's obviously erring on the side of who knows what could need to be done. So they're going to send me an estimate on that today. So I'm hoping today to at least make a decision and move forward because time's running out. It's October, and next thing you know, it's Christmas and everything's starting to shut down. So I certainly want to be gone by then, way before then. So yeah, this is still it's still an ongoing thing, and not good on the nerves, I gotta tell you. So I'm hoping even today to make a decision and action that decision. I think trying to do anything with the existing engine probably is going to just push the problem further out. Yeah, we'll just have to see basically. So I'll see what they come back with, hopefully soon today, and have some news then. So meanwhile, I think maybe I should go and do some sanding of the duckboards just to keep myself occupied. Give the mind something else to think about for a change. Anyway, more to come. There always is more to come. Okay, so I've got the figures basically for both putting in the beta engine and also the Volvo supplied here basically by Cap Coast Marine, being the Volvo dealers in this area. So yeah, on the face of it, there's a lot of variables that could obviously happen. Work that may need to be done or work that may not need to be done, but you don't know until you've got it here on site. And I'll probably get all sorts of criticism. That's okay, I can take it. I am sort of starting to lean towards the new Volvo. Basically a resale value of the boat, not that I'm going to sell it, to have an engine in warranty, and the fact that it just slots in basically where the old one was, so there should not be any other work required. On the face of it, the beta is a close fit, but there's nothing guaranteed, and it does mean extra work that's going to accumulate extra labor hours, just to ensure it's going to fit. So I'm now going to go and have a chat with the guy who runs the hard stand or the lift out or whatever here, and just talk about costs around that, and yeah, see what's what. And then I think by the end of today, we should have a decision and a plan in hand, and that's what I'm hoping for. Yeah, it'll just settle my stomach a little bit more, maybe. I don't think my well-being is going to take a hell of a lot much more of this, considering what earlier things I've been through on this trip as well. It's been a bit of a circus, really. Anyway, I'll go and chat to the man. Okay, so decision made. Volvo was the way it's going to go, so got the ball rolling with that. Cap Coast Marine will put the order in to get the engine delivered, which could take 2 weeks, but yeah, because of the like for like, it should slot in fairly quickly. So just waiting for Dean, the hard stand guy, to come back to me. I've filled in his form. And yeah, we just sit here and wait for things to happen now. So hopefully things will smooth out, and we will get some movement happening soon. Anyway, thanks so much for persevering with me. Really appreciate coming along for the journey, guys. Not quite the journey I had in mind, but yeah, I'm going to have virtually a rebuilt boat in some respects by the time I get home. So I guess that's going to give me peace of mind. And I really think I need that now. With the old engine, I suspect something went wrong too when it was pulled off the mounts, and I think trying to push that along is just going to sort of never give me peace of mind, because I don't really know what's going on with it. So I think it's time to draw a line, move forward, and have confidence in a new engine. So I won't know myself. Anyway, this will improve the further adventures of Doxie. Okay, well, I'm going to sign off now. Maybe I'll get to do another video today. This one's gone over the last few days, as you know. So yeah, as I said, thank you for persevering, and I'm going to stop rambling now. That's just the way my mind's working at the moment. This is Dawn Raider, out.